Okay, good morning, y'all. We're gonna do an unboxing today. Flashark Auto sent me some shorty headers for my T-top, so we're gonna go ahead and get them installed. So these are shorty headers, nice and pretty. Let's get them installed. Okay, y'all, change of plans. Looking at the headers, this is what was on my car, and these are the ones I just got. You can see the difference in the exhaust ports automatically. Knowing that I have Windsor Senior heads on my car, I need the bigger exhaust ports because it's gonna make my car flow better. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on my car instead of the T-top. And if y'all been watching, you know, just a couple weeks ago, I did put some BBK shorty headers up here. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off and put these Flashark Auto headers. But y'all, they send you the whole everything you need. The gaskets, header bolts, the headers, everything that you need to get the job done. So y'all see my header gasket down in there. I'm so happy that they sent me gaskets, because baby, I needed them. They're not too bad, but they blew up. And then you can see exactly how big my exhaust ports are because it got the line that's burnt up around each gasket. Okay, so new gasket, old gasket. This gasket was metal and composite, and this one is metal on both sides. So that's the difference. You can see the size difference in them. But yeah. Okay, one bolt in. We're gonna go ahead and get the rest of them in. But getting that first bolt started is so we got the first side in. Now we're gonna move on to the second side. I got both the headers on, so we're gonna go ahead and do a startup, and then we're gonna take a little drive. Drive, they did turn gold because that's what that heat do. But yeah, so far so good. I don't really have no complaints. So make sure you go to Flashark Auto and check them out. I got a promo code for y'all. And yeah.